Good morning, everyone. My name is Mahek. I'm a spoken English student at Authentic Academy. Today, I want to speak about my school. I'm studying 11th class Commerce in Sarkhej School from Sarkhej at Ahmedabad. My school has 3 floors. It has a big playground, library, and computers. My school has spacious classrooms and skilled teachers. All the classrooms have smart boards, and my school celebrated festivals every year like Republic Day, Independence Day, and Navratri. Every year, my school arranged the exhibition, science fairs, and education tour. I love my school, and I have been studying in this school for since ninth standard. I always like to go to school. I hope all the students like to go to school. Thank you.